Hey guys, thank you for coming back to my channel. Today we're in the kitchen. I want to make my dinner and I decided let me bring you along. So today we are making fish. You remember the fish from Kisumu, from Dala, from the lake? Yes. On this channel previously we did how to fry fish fresh from the lake. Now this is stewed fish, like a little curry. So I'm making this is what I'm making for my dinner today, dinner for one. So I'll take you through how I make my fish. It's not a tutorial on how to make fish, but it's how I do it. So welcome, come, let's make fish. So I want to show you the ingredients that I'm going to use and everything for my fish. So if you haven't liked this video, what are you waiting for? How are you going to eat my fish if you haven't liked this video? So like this video, share this video, and if you haven't subscribed, kindly do so. So road to 200 subscribers. I'm going to use onions, tomatoes, green pepper or hoho, grated carrots, garlic, fish masala, a pinch of salt, because you know if you watched my previous video you saw I have to preserve the fish with salt, so I don't know how much salt was put in, so I'm not going in too much with salt. I'm just going in with a little bit of salt. And then milk. Yes, I make my fish with milk, and it's sour milk, it's not fresh milk, so I like it sour. You can use fresh, but me, I prefer it sour. And oil. So for now I just want to grind my garlic in a mortar. I'm only using one tomato just because I'm not going in too much with the tomato thing. I don't like so much tomato in my food. And then again, I learned about this carrot thing, I think when I used to live with my aunt, and it's a nice ingredient to thicken the soup. So that's why I'm using grated carrots. So let's start. In my oil, I'm going to put the onion, and let them brown. So I just regulate my fire.
Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Keep my head up when I act, head up, that's a fact. Never looking back, I'ma keep myself on track. Keep my head up, staying strong, always moving on. Feel I don't belong, tell my thoughts to move along. Push myself to be the best.
I will then add in the garlic.
And I had so many dreams. Then you hit your teens, life ain't really what it seems. Try to find out what it means. Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Yeah, I put out all this art, it's my only medicine. Yeah, everything I do, I'm just being genuine. Yeah, I'm sick of being screwed, feel my own adrenaline. Yeah, I do just what I do, and I hope you let me in, yeah.
I didn't even show you what we are making. So this is the fish we are going to make, but I'm not making the whole of it. I will then add my tomatoes.
Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Keep my head up when I act, head up, that's a fact. Never looking back, I'ma keep myself on track. Keep my head up, staying strong, always moving on. Feel I don't belong, tell my thoughts to move along. Push myself to be the best, die with no regrets. Live with every breath, see my...
The salt helps the tomatoes to soften faster. So I will add my salt. After adding the salt, I will just cover it for a while so that the tomatoes can soften. At this point, I think my tomatoes are soft enough. So I will come in with my carrots. After adding my carrots, I give it a little stir. Yeah, these are basics. Anyone can do it. Even a grade 4 or grade 1 can do it. I come in with my fish curry or fish masala. At this point, I want to add the milk. And give it a bit of stir over. Then I will give it a bit of a stir. You see how the soup is thick? Yeah, it's starting to form. So this is the stew. It's pick one. Because I'm just one person, this should be enough. But I really want to add a little bit of water so that the fish can... The fish is not supposed to cook. It's just to like catch the flavors, like to immerse in the flavors, and the fish is already cooked. It's already fried, so it's just the stew, the fish to get in contact with the stew. I don't know if that makes sense. With the gravy or whatever. So I want to just add a little bit of water so that I can turn the fish one side and the other side, and then we are good to go.
Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Keep my head up when I act, head up, that's a fact. Never looking back, I'ma keep myself on track. Keep my head.
You can already guess what part I'm going to cook for today, because I am a head girl. I'm a head girl. Then I come in with my fish, fitting so well in there. Then something I like to do, I just put the stew on top of the fish. Then don't rudo, please. Don't rudo. If you don't know what rudo is like, don't keep stirring. This is fish. It is not githeri or it's not porridge. So handle with care. Handle with care. Don't rudo, please. Don't rudo. You have to know that this is fish and it needs care. If you rudo, you will get you will get uji for fish. So far so good. Even one time you can just turn it once, just once. If you are as careful as I am, you can just turn it once, and the other side you also do. You also do the thing, not rudo. Then I'll come in with my ho-ho because I like it crunchy. Then I'll give it a 3 or 5 minutes cover so that the fish can enjoy swimming in that delicious combi. God, can you just see that? Can you just see that? So beautiful, right? Beautiful, right? And that is our final look. Here, can you even spot the eye? Ha! This is gonna slap. Fish from Lake Victoria. Yeesh. If you don't see this video, guys, just report that I overfed on the head of the fish. Cause man, and if you happen to see this video, just know that the next morning I overslept, because this is gonna slap thoroughly. So if you enjoyed watching this video up to the end, kindly put a thumbs up, like this video and share it out. Support your sister, man. Peace out. Come, let's eat karibuni. Come, let's eat the delicious fish.